In this video, you'll learn how to edit a person's details in Pipedrive quickly and accurately. Keeping your contact information up to date helps ensure smooth communication and reliable data across your pipeline. Start by opening Pipedrive and navigating to the Contacts section from the left-hand sidebar. This is where all your individual contacts are stored. If your list is long, you can scroll through it or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the person you're looking for. Next, click on the specific contact you want to edit. This will open their Details page, which serves as a central place containing all their information, including contact details, organization links, and related activities. On the Details page, focus on the main information panel, where you'll find fields like name, job title, email, phone number, and other custom fields your team may be using. This layout makes it easy to locate and update the information you need. To make changes, hover your cursor over the field you want to edit. A small pencil edit icon will appear. Click on it to activate editing for that field. If you don't see the icon right away, slightly adjust your cursor position over the field until it appears. Once the field is editable, update the information as needed. Be sure to enter accurate and properly formatted details, especially for email addresses and phone numbers, so your team can easily reach the contact. After making your changes, click Save to confirm. That's all it takes. Go to Contacts, open the person's profile, click the Edit icon, update the details, and save your changes. By making this a regular habit, you'll keep your contact database clean, accurate, and ready to support effective communication and better sales tracking.